This is the unboxing and assembly of the RIDGID R4251 12-inch sliding compound miter saw. First, remove the box and unpackage the R4251. The package should include the RIDGID R4251, the Torx blade wrench, the work clamp, dust bag, the support extensions, the extension clamps, washer, wing nuts, and 2.5-inch dust port adapter. Remove the styrofoam and the plastic wrap from the compound miter saw. We'll start by adding the support extensions onto each side. Lock the compound miter saw into position. Lean the miter saw back so you can access the bottom of the miter saw. Put the support extensions in the proper location. Using the extension clamps, the washer, and the wing nut, tighten the support extension down and into place. Repeat on the other side. Next, attach the dust bag or the 2.5-inch dust port adapter. The R4251 has a compact design and the largest cutting capacity in its class. For more information, visit our website and check out the entire RIDGID Power Tools lineup.